If you've been following the van life community and especially the Sprinter community, you heard about owl boxes. Those awesome storage boxes that go at the back of the van against the doors, and they provide a lot of additional storage space. And now I have an owl box as well. It's here in the back. I made mine from plywood, not from aluminum. Well, actually, my owl box is not at the back of the van, but at the back of the garage of the van. It is up here. And it contains real owls. I built this a couple of years ago, and originally it was living over there by the house in a tree, but then the tree died and we had to relocate it up here to the back of the garage. And it didn't take long for a pair of owls moving in. She laid 6 eggs, and within I think 35 days they're all hatched, and we watched the little owls growing up and getting fed and eventually learning to fly. It was super cute. We have a little camera up there in the house, so here's some great footage of them growing up. And if you want to watch more videos like this, check out the Hutto Feline Catio channel. I put a link to it down into the video description and also on the end card of this video. We are posting mostly cat and owl related videos, also a live stream from inside the owl box from time to time. So if you're enjoying this type of content, go and check it out. Thank you. And you might be wondering, why does it say Uhu up there on the box? Well, Uhu means owl in German. Well, not really. Owl would be Eule, but Uhu is a special type of owl. It's one of these ones, the horned owl, the one with the ears. So these are much bigger than the ones living up here, but they would be Uhus. And Uhu is also the name of a glue in Germany. It was invented in, I think, 1934, and the inventor gave it the name Uhu, because at the time many of these inventions around stationary products were given bird names. So there's a pelican fountain pen, there is an Adler, an eagle typewriter, and the Uhu inventor just went with the flow and gave his invention a bird name as well, Uhu. And the box Uhu comes in has this very distinct yellow box black lettering, so that's what I tried to mimic with the box up here. So, John from Owl Vans, while your boxes are probably one of the best accessories for having on the van, my box is probably one of the best things you can have on the garage of your van.